Why this beat so complex?
Money in my hands, like I'm posting a bet. I don't care about none of you haters. Y'all really think I'm gonna sweat? These niggas so green and these bitches pink. Said I can't fight, put his ass in the ring. Don't get that boy no pistol, no Glock. His ass don't deserve it. I hit a little bit from the back. By the way, she get squirted. Made a nigga run like Trey. He up the pole first, and his ass got nervous. All of my haters better stay in they place. Fuck who said what? Get the hell out my face. Mac 11, I only shot 7. Send the pussy niggas straight up to heaven. Up to the birds, you niggas gon' die. 314, 159. Cooking these niggas up just like some pie. We smoking real strong, you know we get high. All of my odds, you know they gon' die. All of you niggas some hoes. I stay with their Glocks and I stay with them bows. Oh my god, AP just came with a new beam. Yo, bitch rock for me, yeah, she is on my team. Walk her to a party, yeah, my drip real clean. She wanna come tap on the blunt, she a fiend. He stay with them Glocks and you know he's so green. She said I cannot fuck unless I got a ring. Then she look down and you know my eyes just blink. What the fuck, what the fuck? I break in your house like I'm Ricky Rouse. I fuck a cute bitch right up on your couch. She drippin' so wet like a motherfucking faucet. He think he invisible, I'ma aim at my target. Niggas be so gay, yeah, they coming out the closet. When it comes to this rapping, you know I'ma blow like a rocket. None of these people can't stop me. None of these people can't stop me. Loaded, straight to your neck like a hiccup. I'm moving these loads, damn near need a pickup. I'm moving big way, I don't need no fucking sit-up. I shoot then I go, better God like a bishop. I ain't never been the type of nigga just to brag, but I love all faces when the haters get mad. I walk a nigga down like I woke up on his beat. Nigga drippin' blood, Kool-Aid feet. If I come on twin, he gon' shoot on repeat. You wanna catch your own fade, his ass to delete. Money in my hands, feel like I'm posting a bet. I don't care about none of you haters. Y'all really think I'm gonna sweat? These niggas so green and these bitches pink. Said I can't fight, put his ass in the ring. Don't get that boy no pistol, no Glock. His ass don't deserve it. I hit a little bit from the back. Right away she get the squirting. Made a nigga run like Trey. He up the pole first, and his ass got nervous. Up to the birds, you niggas gon' die. 314, 159. Cooking these niggas up just like some pie. We smoking real strong, you know we get high. Loaded, straight to your neck like a hiccup. I'm moving these loads, damn near need a pickup. I'm moving big way, I don't need no fucking sit-up. I shoot then I go, pray to God like a bishop.